Pancakeswap holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Pancakeswap price. When will the price of the Pancakeswap pump, my friends? When will the price increase? When will the price rise up? In this video, I'm going to show you on the basis of technical analysis. So please keep watch this video complete. And if you are new to my channel, please I request everyone to make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. So now, my friends, at this time, if we talk about the latest price of the pancake swap, at this time is 12.53 USD dollar. 12.53 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the pancake swap. Furthermore, you can see if we talk about the price changes occur in the pancake swap. So now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the pancake swap is negative. Completely fast down occur in the cake coin from the previous last 1 week. The June month, in the June, the whole month the price of cake coin is fast down, and now still, you know what, today is the 2nd July. On the 2nd July, the price of pancake swap is also negative, my friends. So that's why a lot of people very worrying about the pancake swap, that they are also asking me this type of question, that when will the price pump, when will the price rise up. So that's why I decided to make a video for all of you, my friends. Anyways, let me show you the price chart of the Pancakeswap. You can see here, my friends, that is the last 1 day price chart, and from the previous last 24 hours the Pancakeswap price is continuously fast down, my friends. You can see continuously, that's a continuously fast of the Pancakeswap, my friends. Negative 2.08% the price is going down, and 13.14 USD dollar is the currently price of the Pancakeswap, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Hope you like this video, and also tell me in the comment box how do you feel today about your Pancakeswap.